Building a landing page on Mailchimp is an effective way to capture leads and promote products. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into Mailchimp. Visit Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Navigate to Campaigns. Click on the Campaigns tab in the main dashboard. Create a landing page. Click the Create Campaign button. Select Landing Page from the campaign options. Set up page details. Enter a name for your landing page to help you identify it later. Click Begin to start designing your page. Choose an audience. Select the audience you want to connect with this landing page. This is crucial for gathering signups directly into your Mailchimp audience. Design your landing page. Choose a template that fits your campaign goals. Use Mailchimp's drag and drop editor to customize the template. Add text, images, forms, and buttons as needed. Use the content blocks to include headlines, descriptions, images, and calls to action. Add a sign-up form. If your goal is to collect emails, drag the sign-up form block onto your page. Customize the form fields and button text. Review and publish. Click Save and Close once you're satisfied with your design. Review your landing page settings and URL. Click Publish to make your landing page live. Promote your landing page. Share the landing page URL on your website, social media, and email campaigns to drive traffic.